how to fix a laggy Logitech MX Master 4 on a MacBook. I'm going to go through a couple solutions, so stick around because one of these may fix your issue. So the first thing you want to check is go onto the Options Plus menu and just check your battery percentage. It sounds very obvious, but I've had this issue before myself. I've even got a little widget on my screen that always tells me the percentage. If you're using this receiver dongle, you want to make sure that it is close enough to the mouse itself and that there's no interference. So the next thing you can do is go into System Settings and then just type in mouse. Press this top one here. So in here you may need to change the tracking speed or the scrolling speed. If you click Advanced, you can even turn on or off the pointer acceleration. Now scroll up to Bluetooth and make sure you don't have another mouse connected. So if this doesn't fix it, the next thing you can try is going into the Logitech Options Plus menu, clicking on your device, going to point, scroll, press, and then on your scroll wheel you can again change the scrolling speed, the scrolling force and sensitivity. Press back and go to settings, check for update and just make sure you're on the latest firmware. If this doesn't work, you can go down to restore to default, so you can click that and just give it a factory reset. I also forgot to mention that under this menu here, you can go to pointer speed and adjust it here. So another thing worth mentioning is if you have 3 devices connected via Bluetooth and they're all on at the same time, this also may interfere with your connection. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if this helped.